If you want a dedicated physical machine for your hacking or SOC lab, you probably want to install Kali Linux on a spare laptop. But getting a new operating system to boot on a separate machine often causes frustrating drive errors. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps to create a flawless bootable USB drive so you can install Kali Linux onto any laptop perfectly. So grab a flash drive and let's prep the image. First, we have to download the Kali Linux ISO image. In order to download the Kali Linux ISO image, open your favorite browser and head to the kali.org website. Once on the website, click on the download section here. Here you do have different options to choose, for example, installer images or for virtual machines, for ARM devices, mobile, cloud, container, live boot, and also WSL. Since we are carrying a bootable USB drive for Kali Linux, we're gonna download the installer ISO image here. Here also you do have different options. You can download the full installer image, or you can download the weekly or netstellar or everything. Also, if your architecture is x64, also they do have option for Apple Silicon for ARM64, but for me, I'm gonna choose the installer image for the x86-64 version and click on install. I'm gonna stop this since I have already downloaded the setup here and I don't need to re-download it again. Once we have the Kali Linux ISO image download and ready, we have to use a software tool in order to create a bootable USB drive. For this, we're going to use Rufus, and you can find the link in the description of the video as well, but you can search for rufus.ie. Make sure to choose the right language for yourself. For me, it's in English. You can choose other languages as well. And then once on the website, scroll down and you can find the versions here. You have the standard, portable, and also for different architectures. For me, I'm gonna go with the Rufus standard latest version here. Click on it. It's a small software. The size is small, so it would download immediately. So once you have both setups ready, and also make sure that your USB is connected to your laptop or PC. As you can see, mine is attached and ready, and I don't have any files on it. Then you're gonna click on Rufus, hit yes. And then here it automatically choose the flash drive here and disk or ISO image. I'm gonna select the disk, and that will be Kali Linux ISO image here. Open, and I would leave the rest by default. I don't need to change anything, but if you want to change anything, you can just do that. I'll leave it as it is because there's no need to do that. And then hit start and write an ISO image mode, recommended, okay. And then it says that it's gonna use the application only includes installation files. I'll say yes. So here it's gonna say that the data, it will erase everything on your device, on your USB drive. For me, since I have nothing on that, I'm gonna hit OK. But if you have something, make sure to back it up first. Hit OK. Now it's gonna create the bootable USB drive. Okay, now the USB drive is ready to use in order to install it on another PC or laptop. As you can see here, the Kali Linux is booted and ready to be used.